So these are Alba pioppinis, and these are really easy to deal with. There's just a little bit of detritus in the bottom, a growing medium of little bits of wood chip and sawdust and organic agricultural byproduct like rice seed hulls. And so you want to make sure you cut all that out, and the reason for that is that it's bitter and kind of gritty and mealy. So you just take a knife and just cut that little piece off the bottom, and now you're like this, and then you just come over here to the pan, no cleaning necessary, and you just break all the little mushrooms, individual mushrooms off. Focus on the pan, please. Focus down on the pan. And that is it, very simple. We're starting here sauté sec, so there's no oil, no butter, nothing in the pan. We're gonna add a little bit of salt here in a little second. Here's some king oysters. Same with the king oyster, it has that growing medium on the bottom, so you just want to take a knife, just cut that little base off. King oysters I like to cut very thin because they have a very meaty texture to them. So I will cut them in very thin strips. You can see it's a very thin strip, and then we throw those into our little mushroom mix as well. Okay, turn it off, please.